Hi, my name is Kenta, a rising junior at Monte Vista High School, and my third milestone is having this robotic arm controlled wirelessly through the flex sensors on the glove. So similarly to my second milestone, each flex sensor controls a different servo motor, and bending the flex sensors can move them. The only difference is instead of having the analog pins wired directly to the Arduino, they're first wired to the NRF module. There are two NRF modules in this project, one transmitter and one receiver. The transmitter NRF receives the data, and then sends the data as radio waves to the receiver NRF, and then this receiver sends it to the separate Arduino and has the whole ARM function. The thumb can control the rotation, the index can control the main axis, the middle finger can control the secondary, and the ring finger can control the gripper. I also moved every circuit from a breadboard to a perf board and added this battery pack so that the robotic arm doesn't have to be connected to the computer and can still be moved. So the key component of this milestone is the NRF module, and they can be coded as either transmitter or receiver. They have a 2.4 gigahertz band and have baud rates from 250 kilobeats per second up to 2 megabeats per second. They also have 8 pins. The voltage in and the ground pin are what powers the modules. The CE and CSN pins are in charge of setting the modules in active or standby mode. The SPI pins are wired to the ICSP pins of the Arduino and are in charge for communication. The last pin, the interrupt pin, is not part of the circuit. So a major problem I faced in this milestone was having the NRFs interact with each other, and in the beginning, to make sure the NRFs are working, I wanted to send simple messages. However, even though the transmitter code displayed that it was sending messages, the receiver code did not receive anything from the transmitter NRF. But after research and rewiring all of the SPI pins to the ICSP pins to the Arduino instead of the digital pins, I was successful in sending simple messages. So for my modification, I plan to replace this Arduino Uno on the glove to an Arduino Nano and then plug it into the header pins on the perf board so that the circuit can be smaller. I also want to add a secondary battery pack to the glove so that the glove can also be away from the computer and still be powered. Thank you.